At EVIT, we train students how to be successful in their career field, like Nate, EVIT Automotive alum, entrepreneur, and owner of Wild Child Classic Cars in Tempe, Arizona.
When I got into cars in particular was when I got my first car, and that was a 71 Mustang, and that really gave me the car bug, and ever since I knew I was going to be doing something with cars.
This passion led him to EVIT's automotive program, an experience that changed everything.
Every day was awesome. I woke up and I was excited to go. You're learning your career, you're getting your certifications, and you're doing what you want to be doing for your career track in high school.
Within 2 years of completing the EVIT program, Nate opened his own shop, working on British classic cars. Then he began building a highly skilled team that includes EVIT Automotive alumni like Juan.
I can count on the fact that when I brought in somebody from EVIT, he had the same training as me, he had the same baseline knowledge, and Juan has excelled from the get-go.
EVIT changed my life because it enabled me to get into the trade and increase my skill set without getting into debt.
Nate also credits EVIT for changing his life.
EVIT really prepared me personally for my future. I was armed with a baseline of certifications and qualifications so that when I entered the industry, I was able to land a job immediately. Without EVIT, I don't know where I would be, but I would definitely not be here.
Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.